Yo, like and sub. Okay, so this is the Atrix Guild keyboard. In my opinion, for $60, it is one of the best MMO layout keyboards out there. These switches are Gateron Browns, and they are tactile. And one thing to note is that you will experience some rattle with like keys like the space bar or the shift key. So that is one thing that I do find annoying about this keyboard. But eventually you'll probably get used to it. And for $60, I really do think it competes with one of the greatest $60 keyboards out there, the GK61 by HK Gaming. Check out our review on that. I do not have it, so I can't really make a review on it. So, next up we have the keycaps. The keycaps on this are pretty grippy. You won't have your fingers slide off of them. One bad part about this keyboard is that it does not have a software, so you can't really control the RGB there, but I don't think that'll affect too many people. And in my opinion, it is really one of the best starter keyboards for only $60, which definitely does compete with some of the best keyboards out there, like the GK61, which is one of the best $60 keyboards out there right now. And in my opinion, if you're just getting into your hobby of gaming, I'd really say that this is a great keyboard for beginners, and you should definitely take buying this one into consideration, the Atrix Guild keyboard into consideration. One thing in conclusion, this is a really great keyboard for $60 and competes with some other keyboards out there, like the Apex Pro, which for an expensive cost, you're still getting a big keyboard that has, while it does have some pros, it does have cons as well. And the Atrix Guild keyboard definitely does take away some of those cons. Yeah, it is a great keyboard in my opinion, and you should definitely think about picking up one of these keyboards. So, yep, I believe that is all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.